Hey YouTube, Ray here again. Smoking Kentucky Bird OTC blend pipe tobacco. I believe it's from Denmark. It's part of a trade that I did with a fellow YouTuber in Germany. I'm sure you guys saw my previous video. But this was one of the tobaccos that he included. Now, I had heard of this tobacco, and I definitely wanted to try it out. Wasn't expecting much because, bear in mind it's an OTC blend. So regardless of, how good or bad it is, OTC blends tend to not carry a lot of flavor. There's no explosion of flavors usually in blends and, pouch blends. They're usually very mild. That being said, let's get into this. Kentucky Bird. Wow. What a great blend. I was surprised, really surprised at what I found in this tobacco. Like most OTC blends, it's primarily burley with some Kentucky and the addition of natural flowers, actual natural flowers. Not exactly sure exactly what kind it is. Um, there appears to be some kind of rose petal, like white rose petals or something like that, in it. Let me show you so you can see it. I don't know if you'll be able to see anything, but see if maybe you can. I believe that right there is a rose petal. Anyway, let me set this down here. Now, the pouch note. Oh, wow. It's, mind you, I like this kind of pouch note. It's very floral. Not in a Lakeland kind of way or anything like that. But you do smell natural flowers in there. I love it. The moisture content is great right out of the bag. You can smoke right out of the bag. It's perfect. Um, let's get into the taste. Like I said, this has it's primarily burley. One of the problems, if you're not that much of a burley, fan, then one of the problems you're going to have with a lot of OTC blends is that you're going to taste a lot of burley. That's primarily what you're going to taste, regardless of the topping or whatever other tobaccos are in there. At least that's what I find, and that's what I was expecting from this, but not at all. The burley takes a back seat to this blend. It's an aromatic blend, so what you do get is a very nice, mellow, not mild, not bland, just very mellow, aromatic taste, kind of vanilla-ish maybe, but not really. Um, and it's just very full, very rich for it being this kind of a blend. I mean, it does pack flavor. Again, let me just say it's an OTC blend, so of course you're not going to get an explosion of flavors. Okay, so it's not like, oh my god, um, super aromatic or anything like that. It's not super sweet. Not. It's still an OTC blend, but it's definitely above, in my opinion, and for my taste buds, it's definitely above uh, a lot of OTC blends on there. Most OTC blends. I mean, this is right up there with I don't know, Mixture 79 for me, which I really like that. This is right up there with that as far as flavor goes. Of course, it's not licorice tasting tobacco. Like I said, this has natural flowers. Now, the natural flowers that you taste in here, you don't really taste them as you're smoking the blend, but What happens is, when you're done, when you exhale the smoke, the taste that lingers in your mouth, the aftertaste, is very floral. Again, I don't mean that in a lakeland kind of way or anything like that. No, no, no. It's just you taste natural flowers. It's a very nice, pleasant taste. Very, very clean, if you will. And just, I mean, I was blown away, really, seriously, by this blend. And I would recommend it to anybody who can get their hands on it, who likes a, mild blend, mild aromatic that's full of flavor. It's not very rich, but, for it being a pouch tobacco, this has plenty of flavor, let me tell you, and more. And like I said, the natural flowers really do come in, even though they come in at the end. It's still a very nice taste. And yeah, I think it's something different. Definitely something different. I highly recommend it. All right, compadres, comadres. Well, that's it for Kentucky Bird. Now my only problem is getting some more, which I definitely intend to get some more of this because this is an incredible tobacco. Again, an all-day blend, if you so desire. Definitely an all-day blend, but it could also be something special for special occasions. Definitely. Well, compadres, comadres, as always, thank you for watching. Vivan con Dios.